Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about stuffed animals, plush that sells for big money or sells fast. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Item in this video, one of the stuffed animals sold for $350. $350 for a stuffed animal. Can you believe it? This is my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. If you would like to come over and join, it is free. It's down in the description of the video under my link tree. So just click on that, request to join. And if you guys would like to share either a best BOLO item of the month, which is an item to be on the lookout for, or a stuffed animal plush BOLO, I have a featured section at the top. You guys can share your BOLO and I will feature it in a video just like this. So I hope you guys will come and share a BOLO. All right, so be on the lookout is what BOLO stands for. These are items as resellers that we look for that we can flip for a profit. The first item here is a jelly cat. It is a Lane Perry retired plush polar bear. It's 26 inches, so this is a big one. She said, I bought this jelly cat for $6.99 at the Goodwill. I was about to leave, and they brought out a couple new racks. Saw this, grabbed it, and a couple of other Douglas plush as well, and ran to the checkout. I was so excited. Took a best offer of $165, 2 weeks. Only took 2 weeks to sell, you guys, for $165. This one comes from eBay store, Thrifted Haven on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. The next item is this Disney Parks Munchlings Mystery King Louis Banana Nut Bread. I've never seen this little guy before. Look how cute he is. Always look up the Disney ones. Some of them go for more than others. He's only 4 inches, so super cute. Oh, he's just a little guy. Look how cute he is. And there are a few of these that go for good money. This came in a bag of assorted plush for $3.49 at the Goodwill. Sold for a best offer of $50.99 in less than a week. This one here is a 1986 Sesame Street applesauce. Applause. Big Bird's Bear Radar Plush Brown. So I'm confused. Is this from the Big Bird cartoon? Big Bird's Bear. Huh. Does it, what's it say? Oh yeah, it says Sesame Street on the bow. I've never seen that one. Huh. There you go, guys. Found this Sesame Street plush by Applause at my local thrift store. His name is Radar and he's Big Bird's teddy bear. Did some research and none were listed, but it had sold in the past. Put it up for $59.99 and it sold in less than 2 hours. Probably could have gotten more, but was very happy with a quick sale. My store is happily found on eBay. Thank you for showing me all the goodies to look for. All right, guys. So what I always say is if you can't find anything like it, do an auction first and start it at the price you are hoping to get. So in this situation, she could have started it on auction at $59.99. Worst case, it doesn't sell and she relists at a buy it now. Selling in 2 hours, I'm guessing this is probably a harder to find item. And probably many of them lose this little bow here. I have never seen that and probably would have had, I would have had no idea. I probably would have walked right past that. Let me know if you guys would have picked it up or walked past it. Awesome find. Chicken Run plush, 2000 DreamWorks, lot of 6. I would have thought these little dudes would have went for more than this because there's 6 of them. How cool are they? Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Chicken Run, is that a movie, a cartoon? I am curious. Maybe a movie? Doesn't look like it's Disney. Half off day at an estate sale, final day. They had a bunch of interesting Halloween plush, but tucked in the back of one of the shelves, I recognized right away that this was from an animation similar to Wallace and Gromit, I don't know. Decided to look them up and was surprised at the comps I saw for these. I saw someone sold a set of new with tags for 100, so decided to list mine at 60. Took an offer of 50 rather quickly. eBay store is WTFDIB buy. There it is. Wow, cool. You know, with things like this, you got to do your research and figure out, do I want to sell them as a lot or do I want to part them out? There's something cool about keeping a set together, but sometimes you can get more if you part them out. So I did not research this. I'm assuming the seller did, and very nice find on that. Siggy Kid Rally Jack Moonshine Gang plush dog. Whoa. Let's look at the tag. So there's a little mark right here, the little splatter. And you can see, it looks like it says Germany. Germany, huh? Found this adorable spotted dog at the vintage mall where I have a booth. This particular booth was closing, so everything was 50% off. It's a vintage toy booth. I still paid up for it at $7.50. It is a Siggy Kids plush made in Germany. I had never heard of it, but apparently they can go for good money. I listed this guy at $69.99 and sold him within a few days. Not a bad flip, if I do say so myself. I bought another one as well that I was not able to find anywhere. So I did, like you always say, price it high, list it and forget it, and fingers are crossed. Awesome, awesome. There we go. Let's look at the next one. Fido the plush. It is online 20th anniversary promotion mascot. Huh, look how cute he is. He's a little snail, right? Is he a snail? I don't know what that is. Cost $2, sold in 2 to 3 days for full price of $50 plus 26 shipping. Limited production online gaming plush. Okay, it's a gaming plush. Bought at the Goodwill in Iceland. The seller is from Iceland. How cool is that? Sells on the US eBay site. Most of my buyers are from USA. Wonder what shipping is from Iceland. Is that wonder if it's a lot higher. That's interesting. Okay, this next one is also from Iceland. Bought for $4 in Goodwill, Iceland. Sold in about 2 months for 50 plus shipping. Oh, you know what? That last one, I said, I wonder how much shipping is. I told you guys it was $26. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Pay attention, Bolo. But the shipping on this one was only $15. So best offer of 50 plus 15 shipping is what the buyer paid. All right, here is another one from Iceland. Paid $5 at an Iceland Goodwill. Sold in a month on a best offer of $350. Had it listed for $499 plus 15 shipping. Had to make a new listing for the offer because I couldn't change the listing. That's why it says reserved. Pure profit, $250. eBay store is Red Thrifting Hood. Awesome, awesome. And that's so cool to see, you know, that they're in Iceland. That is awesome. Thank you for sharing. My Little Pony Rainbow Dash 10-inch plush Hasbro 2016. I'm always looking for My Little Pony plushies. And she didn't put where she got it or what she paid for it, but this one sold for $149.99 and this one sold for $112.49. And let's go back to that one, the $350 Jelly Cat. It's the Bashful Bunny Pistachio. It's a US exclusive retired, and they paid $5 for it and sold it for $350. And you can see here is the original price and then the sold price here. So very, very cool. If you want to know more Jellycat that sell for big money, definitely check out BOLObuddies Jellycat. Just put that in the YouTube search and it'll pull up a video. This one is mine, and this one is not big money, but I just want to tell you that little things smell. They do smell sometimes. Little things sell. This is a little finger puppet. Always pick up the little finger puppets and puppets in general. This sold for $16.50 and the buyer paid shipping for that. And I got it at the Goodwill bins, so it's probably like a quarter. Very lightweight, super cute finger puppet. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Head over to the Facebook group and join and share your BOLO. And thanks for watching.